Hola amigos, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making Arroz Rojo, red rice. Flavorful and fluffy, perfect for any meal with tacos, enchiladas, or carne asada. Let's get started. A special thank you to all those new subscribers. So this is what you'll need to get started. You'll need rice, you'll need some oil, tomato, you can use fresh tomato or canned whole tomatoes, onion, garlic, salt, and some chicken broth. We start by heating the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the rice and cook it, stirring frequently until it turns golden brown. This step is super important. It gives the rice a nutty flavor and keep it from turning mushy. Once you have your rice browned and golden brown like this, you're ready to begin your tomato base. Let's get started on that. Now let's get started on our tomato base. We're gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes in. Again, you can use fresh or canned tomatoes. We'll add our onion, our garlic, our salt, and we're just gonna add a little bit of this broth. We'll add the remaining of the broth after we cook it. You wanna make sure that you blend this until it is completely smooth. Now let's pour the tomato base into the toasted rice. You'll hear sizzling. Stir it for about 2 minutes and bring out all the great flavors. Next, add the remaining broth and season with salt and give it a stir and bring it to a rolling boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the lid and let it simmer for about 18 minutes. The key is don't lift the lid. That's the secret of making it really fluffy. So lower your heat down to the lowest and then wait for 18 minutes. And there you have it, rich, fluffy, delicious Mexican red rice, Arroz Rojo. Let's give this a try. It's delicious. For more recipes, like and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video.